Okay, boys and girls, we're back. So as you can tell, I'm wrapping the harness because a lot of the electrical tape, like right there, as you can tell, is just, it came off. It is what it is, but we want this harness protected. So we've got the proper tape to do it properly and looking good. And when I got to this side, I should have filmed and I didn't, I apologize. There was a nick in the wire here, down to metal, and there was a nick in the double line, down to metal. So, or wire, sorry. I wrapped each line, because I'm not going to cut and splice it back together, it was just a small piece. Wrapped that one, then I wrapped the pink line, and now I'm wrapping both of them together. So we'll finish getting everything done and get that taken care of. And then it's find the connectors. Woohoo! You gotta love it. Well, at least that's what they keep telling me. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Okay, boys and girls. I love my job. I love my job. I love my job. I love my job. I don't know how many more times I'm going to have to say it so I can make myself believe it. But we checked the wiring harness and where it goes, I have to take the dash cluster out to get to it. And that's if they didn't pocket the back of the dashboard, which GM's been known for doing for years, so that everything kind of fits in its own little groove and you can't see past the little hole that the wiring harness comes through to power the dashboard. This one's going to be short because I'm going to be here for a little bit, so I will get back to you guys when I have more ripped apart. Oh, and I think I showed you guys the harness. Let's walk back a minute. Now that it is all done, retaped for safety, all I'm going to do now is scrub up that connector for the ground, because that's got a little bit of corrosion on it, which we already saw. But, all right, guys, I will show you more when I have more to show. All right, see you on the next one.